The power of never giving up. Introduction. In a small village surrounded by mountains, there lived a boy named Daniel Carter. He dreamed of becoming a marathon champion. But Daniel had a problem: he was born with a weak leg. Doctors told him he would never be able to run long distances. People in his village laughed at his dream. "You, a runner? That's impossible," they said. But Daniel had something stronger than his weakness: his determination. The first challenge. At 12 years old, Daniel decided to start running. The first time he tried, he fell after just 200 meters. His leg ached. Tears filled his eyes. "Maybe I can't do this," he thought. But then he remembered the words of his father, who had passed away. "Son, the only battle you lose is the one you quit." So, he got up and tried again. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise and ran. He fell 100 times. He failed 200 times. But he never quit. The pain of failure. At 18, Daniel entered his first marathon. It was a 42-kilometer race, and thousands of trained athletes were competing. He started strong, full of energy. But after 25 kilometers, his legs started giving up. Pain shot through his body. His vision blurred. And then, he collapsed. The race went on without him. As he lay on the ground, he heard people whisper, he was foolish to even try. That night, Daniel sat alone, staring at his medal of participation. He felt broken. But deep inside, a voice whispered, "This is not the end." He made a decision: he would train harder than ever. The comeback. For the next 4 years, Daniel trained like a warrior. He woke up at 4 a.m. every day. He ran in the rain, the snow, the scorching sun. His legs bled. His body ached. But he never stopped. He entered multiple small races. He lost most of them. But with every failure, he grew stronger. At 22, he got another chance: the National Marathon Championship. This time, he was ready. The final test. The day of the race arrived. Daniel stood at the starting line, looking at the crowd. Doubt tried to creep in. But he pushed it away. This was his moment. The race began. For the first 30 kilometers, he ran with ease. At 35 kilometers, his old pain returned. His muscles screamed for him to stop. But then he remembered, the only battle you lose is the one you quit. He pushed forward. One step. Then another. Then another. And then, it happened. Daniel crossed the finish line. The crowd erupted in cheers. He didn't just finish the race, he came in third place. Tears rolled down his face as he held his medal. He had done the impossible. The legacy. Years later, Daniel became an inspiration for millions. People from around the world came to hear his story. And when they asked him, "What is the secret to success?" he smiled and said, "Fall 100 times. Stand up 101. Moral of the story. Success is not about how strong or talented you are. It's about how many times you are willing to get back up. Because the only way to fail, is to quit. This story is about 15 minutes long. Do you want any modifications or a different type of motivational story?